Hello children, welcome to class 5 mathematics. Let us see the next part in fractions. The solutions for the homework sums are as follows. 11 by 14 is greater than 9 by 14 is greater than 13 by 28 is greater than 2 by 7. The next sum 5 by 9 is greater than 6 by 11. 2 by 7 is greater than 3 by 13. Let us go to the topic addition of fractions. Let us see how to add like fractions. For example, add 3 by 8 and 4 by 8. When you look at these fractions, you could see the denominators are same. When the denominators are same, it is a like fraction. So, if it is a like fraction, we have to keep the denominator same and add the numerators. So, when you add the numerators, you get 3 plus 4. So, the required answer is 7 by 8. Let us see another example how to add unlike fractions. So add 1 by 4 and 1 by 3. The fraction 1 by 4 and 1 by 3 are unlike fractions. So first we have to convert the unlike fractions into like fractions and then add. To do that, you should find the LCM of 4 and 3. So when you find the LCM of 4 and 3, the LCM is 12. So what you should do? You must first find the equivalent fraction for this given fraction 1 by 4 and 1 by 3. You have to find the equivalent fraction with the denominator 12. So the equivalent fraction for 1 by 4 is 3 by 12 and for 1 by 3 it is 4 by 12. Now you will add the fractions. 3 by 12 plus 4 by 12 will give you 7 by 12 as the required answer. Let us see an example of how to add the mixed numbers. Example 16, add 3 1 by 2 and 4 1 by 5. The first step, if it is a mixed number, you should convert the mixed number into an improper fraction. So when you convert this 3.5 and 4 and 1 by 5, you get the improper fraction as 7 by 2 and 21 by 5. So the next step is to convert the unlike fractions to like fractions and then add them. So when you convert unlike to like, you need to find out the LCM, and with that LCM you have to find the equivalent fraction for 7 by 2 and 21 by 5. So when you find the LCM for 21 by 5 and 7 by 2, the LCM will be 10. Keeping 10 as the denominator, you find the equivalent fraction for 7 by 2 and 21 by 5. So 7 by 2 will be equal to 35 by 10 and 21 by 5 is equal to 42 by 10. Then you add these two fractions. So 35 by 10 plus 42 by 10 will give you 77 by 10. As the answer is an improper fraction, you will convert that into a mixed number. So you divide 77 by 10. So the answer you will get it as 7 by 10, which is the required answer. Let's see few problems in exercise 4.4. Solve the sum 5 by 8 plus 5 by 6. Here the denominators are different. So what you do? First you find out the LCM for 8 and 6. When you find out the LCM for 8 and 6, you get the LCM as 24. So you keep 24 as the denominator and find the equivalent fraction for 5 by 8 and 5 by 6. So the equivalent fraction for 5 by 8 is 15 by 24 and the equivalent fraction for 5 by 6 is 20 by 24. So when you add these two equivalent fractions 15 by 24 and 20 by 24, you get the answer as 35 by 24. So as it is a improper fraction, you divide it. When you divide it, you get the answer as a mixed number, which is nothing but 11 by 24. Let us see another sum 1 by 3 plus 3 plus 3 by 4. Here 3 is a whole number. So what you do? You should convert that into a fraction. So how do you convert that into a fraction? You divide that number by 1, which is nothing but 3 divided by 1 is 3. So you will write the fraction as 3 by 1. So 1 by 3 plus 3 by 4 is replaced as 1 by 3 plus 3 by 1 plus 3 by 4. Here as the denominators are different, you find the LCM for 3, 1 and 4. So when you find the LCM it is 12. So with the 12 as the denominator, you find the equivalent fraction with the denominator 12 for 1 by 3, 3 by 1 and 3 by 4. So the fractions are 4 by 12, 36 by 12 and 9 by 12. So what you do now, the denominators are same. You have converted the unlike fraction into like fraction. So 1 by 3 plus 3 by 1 plus 3 by 4 is equal to, replace with the like fractions, 4 by 12 plus 36 by 12 plus 9 by 12. So when you add these fractions, you get 4 plus 36 plus 9 by 12. So when you add, you get 49 by 12, which is an improper fraction. So again, you should convert this into a mixed number. So when you divide 49 by 12, you get 4 and 1 by 12 as the answer. Let us see another sum. 1, 2 by 3 plus 4, 1 by 2 plus 2. Here, this sum is a combination of a mixed number and a whole number. So you should convert the mixed number into a improper fraction and the whole number into a fraction. So when you convert the fraction, the given fraction will be 5 by 3 plus 9 by 2 plus 2 by 1. So now you need to add these fraction, but the denominators are different. So what you should do, you should take the LCM and find out. So what is the LCM for 1, 2, 3? It is 6. So we will keep 6 as the denominator and we find the equivalent fraction for 5 by 3, 9 by 2 and 2 by 1. So when you multiply, you get 10 by 6, 27 by 6 and 12 by 6. Now you add these equivalent fraction. So 10 by 6 plus 27 by 6 plus 12 by 6 is equal to 49 by 6. So 49 by 6 is a improper fraction. So you convert that into a mixed fraction. So you divide 49 by 6. You get the answer as 8, 1 by 6. Let us go on to the statement sums. Raja covered 5 by 6 km by cycle and 3 by 4 kilometers by car. How much distance did he cover? So, what operation is this? You have to add. So, how do you write the statement? Distance covered by cycle is 5 by 6 kilometer and the distance covered by car is 3 by 4 kilometer. Now, the total distance covered, you will add 5 by 6 and 3 by 4 kilometer, and as the denominators are different, you will find the LCM for 6 and 4, which is 12. Now keeping 12 as the denominator, find the equivalent fraction for 5 by 6, which is 10 by 12, and the equivalent fraction with denominator 12 for 3 by 4 is 9 by 12. So when you add these two fractions, 10 by 12 plus 9 by 12 will give you 10 plus 9 by 12, which is equal to 19 by 12. So you already know 19 by 12 is an improper fraction. So if the fraction is an improper fraction, you will convert that improper fraction to a mixed fraction and then you will write the answer. So when you divide 19 by 12, you get the answer as 17 by 12. So Raja covered 17 by 12 kilometers, which is the required answer. Let us see another statement sum. Aditya mixed 2 1 by 8 liters of green paint with 3 5 by 16 liters of red paint. So how much paint does he have now? So again, this much green paint and this much of red paint is added together. So you need to find out how much paint does it have now. So it is again, the operation is addition. So you write the statement as quantity of green paint is 2 1 by 8 liters and the quantity of red paint is 3 5 by 16 liters. So the total quantity of the paint, so 2 1 by 8 liters plus 3 5 by 16 liters. You convert the mixed fraction into a improper fraction. When you convert 2 1 by 8 liters, the improper fraction you get as 17 by 8, and when you convert 3 5 by 16, you get 53 by 16 as the improper fraction. Now you will add these two fractions, 17 by 8 liters plus 53 by 16 liters. As the denominators are different, you will take the LCM for 8 and 16. So when you take the LCM for 8 and 16, you get the LCM as 16. Now keeping the denominator as 16, you find the equivalent fraction for 17 by 8 and 53 by 16, which is nothing but 34 by 16 and 53 by 16. So when you add 34 by 16 plus 53 by 16, you get 87 by 16, and when you convert it into a mixed fraction, you get the answer as 57 by 16. So Aditya has 57 by 16 liters of paint. Let us see few sums in exercise 4.5. Raj ate 1.5 apples while Vicky ate 3 by 4 of an apple. How many apples did they eat together? So you know the operation is addition here. So how do you write the statement? Number of apples Raj ate is equal to 1.5 apples. Then number of apples Vicky ate is equal to 3 by 4. So number of apples they ate together is equal to 1.5 plus 3 by 4. You convert this 1.5 to a improper fraction. So the sum becomes 3 by 2 plus 3 by 4. So here the denominators are different. So you find the LCM of 2 and 4. So when you find the LCM, you get the LCM as 4. Now keeping the denominator as 4, you find out the equivalent fraction for 3 by 2. So which becomes 6 by 4 plus 3 by 4. So that is equal to 6 plus 3 by 4 is equal to 9 by 4. So when you divide 9 by 4, you get 2 and 1 by 4 apples. So number of apples they ate together are 2 and 1 by 4 apples. Let us see another sum. Ali read 1 by 8 of a book on Monday, 1 by 4 of the book on Tuesday, and 1 by 2 of the book on Wednesday. What fraction of the book did he read during these 3 days? So when you look at this sum, you could find that the operation is addition. So we'll write the statement as number of pages read on Monday is equal to 1 by 8. Number of pages read on Tuesday is equal to 1 by 4. And number of pages read on Wednesday is equal to 1 by 2. Now you need to find out the total number of pages he read on all 3 days. So you should add 1 by 8 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. As the denominators are different, you will take the LCM for 8, 4, 2. When you find out the LCM, you get the answer as 8. So keeping 8 as the denominator, you find the equivalent fraction for 1 by 8 and 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. So 1 by 8, the equivalent fraction becomes, as the denominator is 8 itself, there is no change in it. So it becomes 1 by 8, and 1 by 4, it becomes 2 by 8, and 1 by 2 becomes 4 by 8. So now you add 1 by 8 plus 2 by 8 plus 4 by 8 is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 4 by 8, which is nothing but 7 by 8. So the answer is 7 by 8 of the book is read by Ali on all 3 days. I have given few sums for homework. Kindly do it. Let us discuss the answers in the next video. Thank you, children.